Alright guys, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back to another review video. This is my third review video, by the way, after my MSI 2K monitor, then Basilisk V3 gaming mouse, Razer's one, and now I have bought a Maono DM30. The reason I had to buy this mic, it's not because this specific mic, any mic I would have bought. The only reason is that when you use a Bluetooth headphone, the problem you face with a Bluetooth headphone, even though it's a well-renowned company like JBL or Red Dragon, when you use a Bluetooth headphone, the problem you face with it is when you play games, it's totally fine. The quality is okay, everything is magnificent. Other than that, when you especially play communication type of game like Marvel Rival, for example, when you try to talk with a mic, the quality just degrades rapidly. Like, it deteriorates to the point where it's not fun to hear or play the game with that type of mic, or like with that type of audio quality. The reason is because it has channel 1 16-bit, it's hertz tap recorder quality. Because of this tap recorder quality, it degrades its audio quality. It's because Windows things like it. Where is it? And you cannot change it. Like, it's permanently fixed like that, and I cannot even do any command prompt. Sorry, I asked ChatGPT about it. You cannot change anything. So the only solution was to get a mic and use a Bluetooth headphone. That's why I learned in YouTube that most of the people who buy a Bluetooth headphone, they have a mic because it is essential. Without it, it just degrades the quality of the mic, the quality of the audio actually. So I have these headphones and I cannot play Marvel Rival while talking, and don't ask me how I have been living with this for like years actually. Well, oh, whatever guys, the pain is gone, those old days are gone. Now it's time to play with full quality, and now it's time to set it up. But before that, let's open the box. All right. Okay, a nice little foam over here. Okay, just 1 second guys. All right, here's just a foam over here. Over here is the mic, the main part of the entire thing, and this entire thing is metallic, so there's a premium feel to it. It's totally black. I chose the black one actually, because other type, there's like 4 other colors, and other colors wouldn't have matched with my setup, so that's why I had to buy this one. You get what is this? Accessories. Oh, this is the wear. Yeah, this is the wear, and the manual. So this is a Type-C and USB port, and you can also switch it up because they have given you the option. You can just remove this and then use it with your phone, because this is USB-C, and you can even use a headphone jack over here, and this is for the LED. I'm going to show you this later after I set it up. This is just a review video right now. Is there anything else? Oh wow, even this is included over here. Okay, and there is nothing. Here's the user manual. This is the user manual. Well, I'm not going to read it, but this is the specs of this mic. Sensitivity this much, frequency responsive, this much. I don't know anything. I just asked ChatGPT about it, and he said it said that in Bangladesh, within 5,000 taka, you can buy this headphone like mic. It's the best mic overall, all-rounder. This is a condenser mic, by the way. You guys can check it. Well, you guys cannot check it because this manual is not anywhere. And oh yeah, they have a monolink software. After download it, after installing it, you don't have to install the software to use the mic. It's just plug and play, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just this software just gives you a little bit of flexibility with the stuff. But I'm going to use NVIDIA Broadcast, and you're gonna know why. Other than that, there's nothing. And oh, what is this? Mono area. Share this link with your computer. Interesting. What is this? So just another type of manual or something, I guess. And I am thankful that they included this, because this would have been. Alright guys, I have set up my mic in this position, and I know when I will game, like play Marvel Rival for example, this thing will disturb me, so I will change the position later on, but I will do that later. But for now, I have set it up right over here, and as you can see, it is a little bit bright, and I've also downloaded the software, but we'll get into that later. But for now, let's see. As you can see, this entire thing is RGB, and even in the down part is RGB. That's really cool. And I didn't notice over here it's made in China, and then we have to peel this thing as well, like right over here, this thing. So let's peel it. Satisfaction peeling. You guys cannot hear the sound, but all right, let me put it over there. Okay, now I can play games without the quality degrading or anything, because my mic will be fully independent and my headphone will be independent, JBL. And over here I've also disabled I have to disable this because the JBL mic might connect automatically, so I have to disable that. And then levels and stuff, yeah, everything is okay. This has this quality, but one channel 24-bit is the best one, I think. And other than that, there is nothing much to talk about in the Windows settings. But from the Maono Link software, you can do a lot. You don't need it. You don't have to like use the software to use the mic, but it's just overall other stuff. Like as I'm speaking, I cannot show you the mic quality in this video. I will do that in another video because I have to do a separate video to do that. And I will also tell you guys about the NVIDIA Broadcast, how I am going to use it. Over here you get 1 second, it's blurry. You'll get gain bar, then headphone on and off. And over here there is deep voice. From other YouTube channel I heard deep is okay, natural is alright, bright is not good, legacy is also not that great. and over here you can change the color. Let me show you. Okay, wait. This one is all the colors, rainbow. This is red, this is orange, yellow, green, blue. I'm going to use the blue because my entire setup is bluish. It's cyan, but yeah. And then you get dark blue. Why does this look like purple? Oh wait, it's because of my camera, the video. And this is purple. And you can of course reduce the brightness, and I have to reduce the brightness in order to use this. This is too much bright. Yeah, this will do. Like too much bright. That's too much bright. 15 is okay. I will change it later on. I will do with that. And if you are fully professional and stuff, I have no idea what this is. These are some levels, equalizer, limit. Oh my gosh, I have no idea what this is, and I don't want to mess around with this without knowing it. So I have to watch YouTube to understand this and stuff as well. But cool, if you understand this, this is going to be easy for you. And then there's nothing else. Alright, and let me talk to you about NVIDIA broadcast. With all the preset you saw, deep, natural, and bright, those are okay, but NVIDIA is another level. NVIDIA is like different. System. And if I have a RTX 3060 Ti, and of course I can use this everything, except I don't think I will be able to use this one because this one is highly GPU bounded, and if I use it I won't be able to play games normally. But noise removal, this thing, wait, what? Oh, okay, and what was that? Yes, now this thing as well, I have to use this. Then what am I saying? Like if I turn on this is going to be even better than this Maono software, because NVIDIA is NVIDIA and Maono is Maono, and Maono software is old and NVIDIA software has significant stuff. Remember Sideman from Sideman video, Vicstar? Bro has used the eye tracking stuff and showed what NVIDIA's broadcast could do. NVIDIA's broadcast is a game changer if for the streamers and other stuff, even for videos, even for audio, everything is great if you have a decent graphics card. That's how you can use it. Other than that, there's nothing more to say. I just have to play the game now. There's nothing else I can tell you guys. I will do a live stream and then you guys can check the quality, and I will do a separate video about the broadcast, and you are using the broadcast, then using the monolink presets, then you guys can check if this mic is good. This mic is actually good. After with the specifications, those are within 5,000 taka. It's decent. It's a decent mic. So guys, thanks for watching, and hope you guys. Oh wait, I haven't talked to you about this one. Wow, I've already forgotten. This thing, you can increase the mic depth, I think, yeah. And if you press this button, wait a second, if you press this button, you'll mute. Red means mute and green means you're unmute. And then if you press it for 3 seconds, then you can change the sound of the game and stuff. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, this is the full entire video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will guys see you in the next live stream or next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys.